Good.
All right. Is it on? Okay.
Hello, I'm Arlene Fong Craig. I develop and implement education and outreach programs for freestanding policy research organizations. I also manage conferences and publications production. My current work involves university community partnerships, or sometimes they're called academic activist coalitions. And these are collaborative working relationships between a university or another institution of higher education and community-based organizations. The program that I'm proudest of, I guess because I had the most fun doing it, and because I think we had the most impact on the community, was DC Girls. DC Girls is a multicultural arts program for girls who are just reaching adolescence. They're girls that are usually between 10 and 13 years old. We targeted girls, particularly young girls who are African American or Latina, living in metropolitan Washington, D.C. And our purpose was to help the girls learn more about their culture and also about the culture of girls who are their neighbors, but with whom they may not hang out and with whom they may have misunderstandings or they may have stereotypes of their neighbors. This program was run by the Union Institute Center for Women. It's a very non-traditional university. It's a university for adult learners. And the Center for Women decided that it would have a program with the community that would really show what the current scholarship is on girls and the university. I recruited the girls for this program. I stood on church steps. I met with their parents at libraries. And I also visited community-based organizations right on their home turf and persuaded them it was okay to let go of their babies and to be with us for this one-year program. We divided DC Girls into 3 sets of workshops. The first one was the tradition of quilts. There's an African American tradition for quilts and a Central and South American one. The arpilleras, which are the South American quilts, generally are much more political in nature, and they tell the story usually of political oppression in very clear terms, and they were often used as an expression of certain wrongs in the country which people did not have, when people did not have other outlets to express it. African American quilts generally take a much more
I think it's going to start us.